Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bitcoin Core Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Bitcoin Core application and soon after you open it up, go and click on the File option at the top left. Click on Open Wallet in order to open up your wallet. If there is any wallet available, you'll be able to see soon after you click on Open Wallet. Now click on your wallet that you would like to log into and you'll be able to log into your Bitcoin Core wallet. With the Bitcoin Core wallet, you'll have control over your money with full validation and full controls over your fees. Send and receive payments with the application with just a few simple steps. To view your transactions history, click in the Transaction tab at the top and you'll be able to view it right here on this display. If you want to exit of Bitcoin Core Wallet, simply click on the File button and click on Close All Wallets. Confirm your selection by clicking on Yes, and that is it. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.